My name is Kaylee Walston, and I'll be doing Lab 1, and this is the determination of uncertainty and lab balance. So, basically I'm supposed to weigh both of these empty cups. There's one and then there's two. So you turn your little scale on, and you weigh it, and so there's 5 trials, and then you're supposed to find an average. And for each of them, I keep getting 10.13. So that was 10.13. I'll do it again. 10.13. 10.13. So it's just repeating constantly because they're literally the same cup and both empty. So the same, it's going to be the same average over here too. So they're all 10.13. Now we'll go to 2. 10.13. 10.13. 10.13 again, and then 10.13. So then I'm supposed to find the deviation from the average, and basically I didn't have any other numbers because they're literally all the same. So I've got 10.13 minus 10.13 for every single one, and so it's all 0. So then I got mass equals 10.13 plus 0 grams for each of the cups. The next table is the determination of uncertainty in common glassware. So I'm supposed to do empty glassware first. So it starts with the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. So you turn it on, wait for it to get to 0, weigh it, and you get 10.36. And so then then on the little table that was on the computer, it tells me to where's my pipe? Oops. It tells me to put 7 milliliters in here, so let me do that real quick. Okay. Got it. So then I'm going to weigh that for the volume of the water. And I've got 16.18. Okay. So then for the high volume, really it can't get higher than 16.18. The lowest can only go to 9.36 because that's the empty glassware. Then I get the average volume, and I just took the mass of the empty volume, and then I added 16.18, which is the volume, and then you divide it by 2 for the average. Easy. So then I got the 20.86 grams. And then next down is the uncertainty, and that's the mass of the empty glassware minus the average volume of the water. And so from there I got 11.5, and then the mass of glassware with water, that was 16.18 because that's just the volume of water at the top. Then I get the mass of water by doing the empty mass with the water, and that's, divided by the water, and that's 6.82 grams. So then I'll just go over to, oh, it's hot. I'll go over to the 50 mils, and let's see. Okay, so I'll just weigh that real quickly. Try to keep this under the time limit. And I get 29 on the dot. So then I do the volume of water, and I think it said, I want to say it said 24. So let me do this. Okay. So then I got 52.41 grams. The next I got the high volume, again, is 52.41 because it's the highest. The low volume is 29 on the dot. The average, like I said earlier, was the mass of empty minus, so that would be 29 minus, minus 52, and so then I get